Hello everyone, this is Maureen and welcome to My Crochet Story. Today is Monday, April the 15th, and I am here to show you the progress on my 4 seasons mosaic blanket. Now, many of you have been following along with me on the journey of this beautiful, beautiful blanket, and there she is. Now, for those of you that don't know, this is a mosaic created by Get Your Hook On Abby McIntyre. Now, there is a link down in the description box where you can go and check out the pattern if you're interested in purchasing it for yourself to get started. Now, remember, mosaics are only built upon 2 different stitches, the single crochet and the double crochet. Now, it's where you place the stitches that create the patterns. Now, as I said, if you've been following along with me, you know that in this first section here of the mosaic, the winter section, I changed my colors. I still use the white and the blue, except I switched them. And then of course I went off on my own little tangent and created my own colors. That I didn't create the colors, but I chose my own colors to work here in the fall section. And folks, let me tell you, I'm right there. I mean, not quite, but I'm just right there to get ready into this beautiful summer section, which I am going to keep exactly like she did. And then once I get into the spring, I kind of again went off on my own little tangent. Before I get to showing you where I am on the blanket, let me say thank you to all of you that come in every time that I wish to jump on and show you my progress. I do greatly appreciate your time. It always makes me feel good to know that there are some of you out there that just love to see what other folks are up to. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome in to you as well. Let me say thank you for joining us today. I do hope that you'll stay for the next few minutes and see my progress on this beautiful, beautiful mosaic that Abby has created for us. I also hope that you'll take an extra few moments to go and check out all the other content on my channel, and I hope that that'll lead you to hit that subscribe button that's down there in the corner. Then look for the bell with those little hugs on the side, because it'll let you know every time I upload some content. Speaking of content, let me remind all of you to please hit that little thumb down there telling me that you like what you're seeing. Also, leave me a comment to let me know what you think about it, even if it's just to say hi, because I do like to see who it is that stops in and watches my videos. And speaking of videos, let me also ask that you take a moment to share this video out to any one of your family and friends that might also love to see what other folks are working on and to hear just how easy mosaics are. Alright, now like I told you, I am working here in the, let me get my finger up there. I'm working right in here in the fall piece, and I want you to take a good gander of what the fall piece looks like so that you will know just about where I'm at. And it's getting exciting, folks. So for those of you that haven't been in here before, I'm going to give you a quick look at how the winter section worked up. Let me make sure I've got all the, because she is getting big, folks. So there's the winter. For those of you that have never seen it before, I love what she has done with the pattern itself. But like I said, I flip-flopped the colors just because I wanted snow on my trees and things that she designed in there. Now, as I said, I did change the colors in the fall section. I decided that instead of having a green background and just one color to represent fall, I went off in a totally different direction. I chose gold as my background, and then a beautiful color selection from Hobby Lobby that's called Autumn Spice. So I am finished with those great big leaves that you see there. And then that little, I kind of think of it like maybe a maple leaf design. Looky here, folks. Let me pick that up right there. Look where I'm at. I am just about finished with this, and let me tell you, that means that next week what you are going to see is the completed autumn section, which is about, it looks like it ought to be only 3 or 4 more rows, but I think it's going to be more like 8. But that's okay, because I am almost there. And as I said, I'm finished with the great big leaves here. All of the falling leaves are finished. There you go. And like I said, I never thought that I would enjoy something as creative as working on a mosaic, because they always just looked so intimidating. Now, doesn't that look intimidating? But like I said, folks, all it is just single crochets and double crochets. And where you place them determines how your pattern falls out. Now, this is obviously one thing that I will never try to design on my own, just simply because it does take an awful lot of work to get these figured out, number one. And I like to think that I've kind of got a creative mind, but this takes it to a whole new level. But anyway, like I said, we'll be finishing up the autumn section and beginning into the summer section, which I'm excited to get to as well, because the summer section, as I mentioned, is the only section that I am keeping right there in her design. So thank you so much for being here to see my progress on my 4 Seasons mosaic blanket. I do hope that you have enjoyed this quick little sample of what it is that I'm doing and the progress that I'm making. I greatly appreciate you stopping in. Please be sure to leave me just a little comment, if nothing else, even if it's just to say hi, so I know who enjoyed this little peek at my progress. So until the next time, folks, please remember, be the light out there in the darkness for someone today, because you never know, could be your light that they need to see. Thank you all so much, and remember, I loves you. Bye.